Hello everybody, welcome to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your very own photo editing website. So here is what it looks like. Let's close this real quick. So this right here is where you can upload your own photo, just like this, and then let's upload this photo. Okay, and here you can edit it with adding things like text. So let's click on text. And let's add the text right here, and then you can move it around just like that. Let's go back and let's do draw. You can draw on it. You can select the brush type and size and then apply. You can add shapes. You can crop. So let's do a crop. You can drag this right here. Say you only want to crop that much. You can change these crop dimensions. So let's click apply and just crop that out. And of course you can resize and you can filter. You can combine multiple filters. So that's really cool. So there's a lot of things you can do. So let's just apply that real quick. You can add a sticker, doodles. Let's add that real quick, and you can move it around. You can resize it. So there's just a lot of options and features you can mess around with. It's really cool, and you can add this to your website and give your visitors or members, users, free photo editing tools. And there's just so many features. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check out the demo. And here is the sales page for Pixie image editor. You can install this website on your own domain or in a folder for your own websites. And I'm going to show you how to easily install this and set it up on your own website in just a moment. So here's all the features, and again I'll leave the link for you guys to check out this sales page and also the demo. Okay, let's get started with installing this on my own website. Once you buy Pixie editor, it will appear in your codecanyon account. Click download right here and just download all files and documentations. And once you have it downloaded, here's all the files that comes with it, including the documentation right here. Let's open that up. Okay, so basically all you have to do, upload all the files in the Pixie folder. So let's find that, and here you can see Pixie. Just upload all of this by FTP, or if you're using cpanel, control panel with your web hosting provider, the majority of web hosting companies will offer you cpanel. Once you log into your cpanel, click on File Manager right here, and then navigate to the public HTML. You can double click there or click on public HTML. Initially, if you're setting this up on a brand new domain with no content, everything should be blank besides a CGI bin folder. If there's a default index.html, you can go ahead and delete that. If you already have a website, you might want to create a new folder or subdomain if you want to upload Pixie. But anyhow, I want to install this site on my root folder or my public HTML folder right here. So let's click on upload. And now to upload everything quickly, I always zip it up first. And you can zip it up with WinRAR or 7-zip. Those are free. And if you're using FTP program like FileZilla, you can upload it directly if you want, but I always zip it up first into a zip file. I find it easier to just upload everything in a zip. It's faster. So now it's uploading. Okay, once it's done, 100% right here, click here to go back. All right, and click on reload. And you can see here pixie.zip file is uploaded. Let's click on up here for extract, or you can also right click and click on extract. This will extract everything from the zip file really fast. 1 second. There it is. We can go ahead and delete the zip file right now after it's done extracting. So let's do that. Confirm. Let's do a quick reload. Okay, everything is still there. Now that's pretty much it. Let's visit the website. Alrighty, here's the website, edit.casa. This is my new website for Pixie editor. As you can see, there's some images missing, so we need to fix that real quick. If you go to the documentation, click on where it says specifying base URL, you will need to add this right here to your index file. So let's copy this real quick and then head over to your file manager, click on index.html and then click on edit, and you can choose to edit the index file with a notepad and then FTP it to your server. You can do it that way too if you want. Scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says right here enter configuration here. Just delete that and then paste in the code from the documentation, the base URL. Now enter in your domain right here. Okay, just like that, and then make sure to add a comma after that and then save changes. Okay, success. Let's go back to the website here. Let's do a refresh, and there it is, working like it should. Now let's open up a folder and test it out. Okay, example here. All right, let's do some drawing. Okay, works good. Okay, let's add a sticker. Okay, apply. Let's do a color. Okay, we can frame it. All right, let's choose this one, rainbow. Okay, let's configure it. Okay, we need to drag that to a good size and apply, and there it is. And I also want to show you something really cool as well. You can actually open an overlay image. So say you found a logo or an image with a transparent background, you can open that up here, overlay it and move it around like a logo, and then once you're done, click on save and you can save the brand new image. Let's open that up, and there it is. So this is a pretty cool tool. I hope you like it. And again, you can set this up on your own website and allow your visitors to use it or use it for yourself. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to check out the demo, and also to my new site here so you can use it and try it out for yourself. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster. Okay, thanks again, and until next time, happy marketing.